For this exercise, we'll be working with the Welsh pubs collection again and the SQL query tool from the previous exercise. Go to the Query Code tab in the bottom section. Here you can translate your query into a number of languages. We'll be working with the Mongo shell language, so make sure Mongo shell is selected. Notice several operators preceded by a $sign. In this case, group, project and sort operators, each of which carries out a specific task. Each of these is an argument passed into the aggregate method. If we were to run this code in IntelliShell, you should get the same results as running the original SQL statement. At the top of the Query Code tab, click the rightmost button to open this query in the Aggregation Editor. This new tab is the Aggregation Editor, and it's broken down our query into 3 individual stages, one for each operator. The Aggregation Editor is split into 2 sections. The top section shows the individual components in the aggregation pipeline, separated into multiple tabs. The Pipeline tab provides an overview of the stages, which can be expanded or collapsed. Each stage is associated with an operator that defines the action for that stage. There's a tab for each stage in the pipeline. Here, you can specify the aggregation operator and update the code associated with that operator. So you can also check the input going into each stage and the output going out of each stage. Total visibility as you build. The Query Code tab shows the Mongo shell code for the current aggregation. You can also convert the code to a half-dozen other languages, including JavaScript, Python, PHP, Ruby and Java. The Explain tab visually represents the steps MongoDB took to execute the query. Finally, the Options tab provides options for writing aggregation operations to temporary files and for configuring a custom collation. Above these tabs is the Aggregation Editor Toolbar, with buttons for adding and duplicating stages, moving stages up and down the pipeline, deleting stages, and more. Click the Run button on the toolbar. The Run button should execute the entire pipeline. The result is displayed in the Pipeline Output tab in the bottom section. Leave the Aggregation Editor open for the next exercise with the current pipeline configuration in place.